Video we're going to take a look at how you can replace the reverse light on your Toyota RAV4 CV. This is a 2003 model, so we're just going to open up the back, and depending on the right hand side or the left hand side you can choose one. And from here we're just going to pull out this cover. There is two clips on the top. Just pull down and we'll take it out, pull up, and we'll take that one out. Now down here there is another cover, so we're just gonna pull this one out and then pull out. Then we'll get a little bit dark inside here. So in here we need to look for the reverse light. So right there, the gray part is the reverse light. So you can see the top, then there's one in the middle, that one there, that one there. Right here is the reverse light, and this is the one we need to take out. So you just need to twist and turn. So I'm just gonna twist it anti-clockwise and I'll pull it out, and that's come out, and this is the reverse light. You can see right here. So you just need to pull out the light. So that's the light right there. So you can take a look right here. The light bulb. It's got Toshiba in it. So with the new light bulb, you need to push it back in there. So here is the hole. So we just need to put it back in here with the new light bulb. It'll be easier if you have two hands, because I'm holding the camera with one hand, and the other hand I'll try to push it in. So it's a big job if you only got one hand. There we go, it's gone in. So make sure they are lined up. There are 3 pins kind of thing around the circle, so make sure that you line it up in the right place. Once it is properly lined up, you can twist it in. So there you go. So you can see the arrow should line up. There is a small arrow right here. It should line up with a dot on the right hand side. And that's all you have to do. And that's it. That's how you can replace the reverse light bulb for your Toyota RAV4 2003 or 2004. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.